How to turn sushi into restaurant quality at home. Part 1. Why I wash my rice. The biggest no-nos I see is overwashing rice. When I was first taught to cook rice, the lesson was simple. If you don't wash it right away, everything you don't want gets soaked back in. Imagine washing your face. If you splash on water without rubbing off dry skin or dirt, it just smears around. And the same happens with rice. When white rice is milled from brown rice, it leaves a residue that's called nuka or rice bran. Even though it might not look like a lot, it holds oxidized oils, staleness, and a little bitterness. If you don't wash that off quick, you're cooking that into your rice, which you're definitely going to be able to taste. Washing isn't about making rice clean on the outside. It's about removing the things that get in the way of a clean flavor. Not all rice is the same, so let's talk about cheap rice and great rice. Cheap rice is often bulk processed, so they have a lot of that nuca residue still on the rice before they package it. When they package it, it sits in that bag together, so that entire bag, that aroma has already gone deep inside. Good rice, on the other hand, they do a great job processing that nuca off, so you don't have to wash it as much. Rice is like any other ingredient, and it has its own flavor. That glutamate, the sweet flavor, and the aroma. The more you wash, the more flavor you lose. That's why great quality rice makes a big difference. First rinse, fast and sharp. Pour cold water over the rice and swirl it immediately. Drain it within 10 seconds. This flushes off the starch and bran before it soaks back inside. Massage gently using the bottom of your hands. Pour water back in 1 centimeter above the water and drain it out. And we're going to repeat this process 3 times. Rinse it off with one more batch of water, drain it, and let it dry out. Washing rice isn't just a kitchen habit. It's simple food, and simple food doesn't let you hide mistakes.